Hey, what is up everybody? Again, another vlog coming in today. So today we got a lot planned. We are gonna be working on getting my car back to where it used to be with having its amp installed. We have the new one right there. So we just need to put it in. But first we gotta do a couple things. One, we have to mow the grass. We need to get that done. We're gonna do the backyard. And then we are going to clean the interior of my grandmother's car. So we just finished mowing the grass. Now we're gonna go change our shirt because we are soaking wet after an hour of mowing the grass. What the hell? And we're gonna go to AutoZone, go get some cleaning materials, and then we're gonna come back and start cleaning. Alrighty, so project we're working on now is this carpet. This is my grandmother's car, or my Grammy's car. So we are going to be cleaning the carpet as much as we possibly can and try and make it as clean as possible. So as you can't already tell, it's pretty bad. It's supposed to be gray and it's black. So we're gonna do as much as we can to clean this up. I tried as much as I could last time, but it needs a lot of work. So we're gonna clean as much as we can. This is gonna take a while. All right. We've got everything we need. We're now getting the tools and everything. This is the new amp, the bracket the amp is on. Also, say hi to the stream, say hi to everybody. Hello, hello. We are streaming this right now. If you haven't already, make sure to join twitch.tv/soars, my friend. All right. So right now we're gonna work on getting these plastic pieces off. This will show where the seat is. We may loosen up the back this time and just focus on getting the front ones out, because really we need to get in here. And you'll see some of these cables, if you can, those cables need to be plugged into the amp, and everything should be straightforward. All right, so we also have to get these back ones too. So these plastic pieces are pretty much just dress up pieces to keep everything on. These sometimes are hard to get off. Oh, that wasn't too bad. Okay, so that's the left one, we'll put that over there. And then time to get this one, which I think this one's broken. So this one actually is like super easy, it just comes right off there. So now we have the bolts exposed right here. They are all 19s. We're gonna loosen the back ones, and then we're gonna take off the front ones. All right, so the next part of this is we're gonna start putting the amp on here. Unfortunately, I don't remember how I put it on, so I'm going to try and remember how I put it on and how this bracket was put in place. I think I have an idea. Oh, okay, there's screws in the back. Okay. That makes a lot more sense now. Okay, so now I figured it out. These are going in the back. This is towards the front. So the bracket, when it's sitting, should be like this, or I guess the other way. So it should be like that. Oh, it even says top of label. Oh, that's cute. All right, so cool. So then everything should plug in here, so that means it should be like that. Okay, perfect. Coolness. Awesome. Now we know how to install it again, and we should be all good to go. And also the fact that a lot of what I'm doing, I'm trying to get on camera due to the fact that I have been wanting to make this video for a long ass time because nobody made it. Actually, I was gonna wait until I was moved to do this install, but I decided against it due to the fact that I had nothing really going on today, and I kind of wanted my music back. So if you guys haven't noticed, I'm gonna probably have to zoom in the image, but these three cables right here are plugged back in now, and now the back bolts are on. We're gonna move this back up just a little bit. Right here, there's actually a bolt we're supposed to put in. So we're gonna put those bolts in now, and then should be finished. We'll do a test play to see if it sounds good and see if we need to make any adjustments, or we need to go talk to Bose again and do so. All right, moment of truth. This is where we find out if everything we did has worked. Alrighty. Let's turn off the AC for a bit. Okay, screens all work. Now the moment of truth. Stream, you're gonna get put down a little bit. We're gonna turn up the volume. Yes, I know the door is open. No Sherlock. We are gonna go finish putting the seat back in, and then we're gonna, play some not copyright music. Everything does work. It works well. It's perfect. It's exactly what I needed, and I didn't have to spend $1,400 because Bose was so nice. Hold on. Alright guys, I'm gonna end this video here, and we will continue tomorrow when we go to Pistons at the Park that we haven't been to in a couple months. So I'm really excited to finally go to an event. Everything's kind of cleared up a bit. I'm still gonna be cautious of everything, but we're gonna have a lot of fun there. We're gonna get a lot of good shots and everything, so you'll see some of that as well while I'm there. So thank you guys for watching again. Let's pick it up tomorrow. Hey, what is up guys? It is 6:30 in the morning, and it is time for Pistons at the Park. I know it's not something any crazy, but it's the first car show that I've been to in a while. It's been 3 months since we had a legitimate car show. So we're gonna go get ready. We're gonna go pick it up. Let's go. All right, so I gotta get my tripod, my backpack, and my stabilizer in the car. This is gonna be an interesting day. Start, baby. Ooh, that smells good. Alrighty, we are now heading out to Pistons at the Park. I'm really excited. I've got all my equipment, even though I forgot some camera batteries. We're gonna go head over there right now. We're gonna have an amazing time. We're at the show. Oh, this whole parking lot is gonna be taken up. And so right now, I'm recording with my big camera, Sunny Bros. I'm waiting for cars to come this way to get some starting off shots. From there, what we'll do, we'll go through the event, get some shots, and then we'll spend the rest of the day having a good time.
My daddy said trust no man but your brothers, and never leave your day ones in the gutter. My daddy said treat young girls like your mother. My mama said trust no hoe, use a rubber. My daddy said trust no man but your brothers, and never leave your day ones in the gutter. My daddy said treat young girls like your mother. My mama said trust no hoe, use a rubber. Perfect. I'ma act 1, 2, stop the track, bring it back. What it do? See, Ricky said never.
All right, it's been a long day. I'm gonna call it here on the video. I know, like I said, I didn't get a lot of vlogging footage at the show, but I did get a ton of car coverage. So I'll see you guys next time when we decide to do more. I don't know when that's gonna be. We're gonna have some more content coming for you. I've got a couple videos on the backlog that I've been waiting to make. So I'm gonna start working on those a little bit more and get you guys excited for some more content. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.